What is up, everyone? Welcome back to this channel. I'm going to be reviewing this book by one of my best friends, Matt Philie, How to Get Sponsored. He's on YouTube at Swashin. But just want to jump into the book review. But before that, I do want to cover a topic that everyone knows and has felt, obviously, all across the world. COVID-19, the coronavirus that is spreading right now. I want to say, just stay safe out there. Make sure you're Lysoling and, Purelling and washing your hands and protecting yourself. And we're going to see how this unfolds over the coming days, but it has drastically affected my businesses, my vending business, my online business, all of my businesses. I mean, everyone's being affected by this virus, and there's nothing we can really do but, come together and hope for the best outcome from all of it. But in this video, if you're interested, starting a YouTube channel, we all need a different side hustle in our lives. So if you want a side hustle of creating videos without you even being in it, essentially, and getting more money, my friend Matt Philie wrote a book, How You Can Get Sponsored on Your YouTube Channel. And it's actually pretty awesome because I've had plenty of sponsors on this channel, and it has been thanks to my friend Matt. But he published this book. I'll have a link down below. Super excited for you guys to see it. But without further ado, we're going to cue that awesome intro that we all love, and then we're going to hop right into the book review. All right, what is up, everyone? So I just sped read, is that even a word? I don't know. I just sped read this book, and it's very awesome. I'm excited. My friend was going to send me one for free, but I said, no, let me support you. I think it's like 10, 15 bucks on Amazon. Oh, it's $20 on Amazon. So definitely worth the price. I must say that. I didn't expect it to be that good. Sorry, Matt, but it actually was good. Non-biased review of it. Super awesome things. I don't want to give it all away because I really feel like, and this isn't a sponsorship. It's kind of funny. I wish this video was a sponsorship of a sponsorship on how to get sponsorships, but it's not. I'm just giving my friend a plug here because this actually has helped me crazy. He's been by my side on YouTube, so a lot of my growth, I have to say thank you to my friend Matt. But let me cover 3 things in this book that honestly are friggin' awesome. There's way more than 3 things you can learn, but the first thing is you can get a sponsor deal at any age in your YouTube career, Instagram career, and it doesn't even just depend on YouTube, but whatever platform you have, you can get sponsors, and he tells you how to do it in this book. And I think that's absolutely insane because I never knew any of these platforms, and it's kind of crazy because I'm his friend. 1 or 2 of the platforms I still had never heard of that he added into the book, so I'm very excited about that. I'm going to actually apply to those once I get off this video. But the second thing is templates and stuff. So it's actually available to download the templates so that you can start your brand deals, get your things going. He actually created the templates for people to download if you bought the book. Then it's online on mostcirca.com. Super awesome. And basically the third thing on this book is the fact, don't be a sellout. And I think that's a big thing that I kind of struggled with in the beginning. I'm not really struggling with right now. I never wanted to sell myself out. All right, it's cool that people, want to give you brand deals or make money with ads or certain videos make more money. I've never just followed the trend just to make money. I've never just done crazy collection videos because honestly, that's my personal life. I don't want to show the world my entire income with my vending business, and that's just the truth of it. And he puts that out in this book with what a sellout really is and how to not be one, because if you're a sellout, other brand deals are not going to want to work with you because you're going to sell out for one brand and one brand only. And that's the only, sponsorship deal you're ever going to get because of the way you acted. But those are the 3 things. This coronavirus really has affected my business. I've pretty much slashed probably half of my income in the past couple of weeks because of this. I'm not going to any of my machines, my honor boxes, and stuff like that. But it is pretty crazy. It's good to have a savings, and it's good to be smart. I saw this coming, so I did prepare for it on the investing side. So I went cash before a lot of this happened. I'm excited for the bottom that's about to happen. Buy the crap out of stocks and essentially ride this back up when the economy gets itself figured out with. But that's pretty much it. Stay safe out there. Really love everyone on this channel, and I'm praying for everyone on this channel that stay safe during this time. Stay inside. Seriously, we're not being quarantined, but just stay inside. Respect other people. Respect the people around you. It's not about you. It's about the people around you. And just realize, things could turn. So we'll see from today, March 19th, which is a Thursday, where we are in a week from now. And we'll see how life changes over the course of time. But everyone, enjoy your free money that Donald Trump is going to send to you. And I'll see you guys in the next video if the apocalypse didn't happen already. All right, peace.